A Bingo Cash achievement that stays locked after you complete the requirement usually means the game has not registered the qualifying action yet, so restarting the app is the first fix to try. By the end, you'll know how to check the achievement requirement, refresh your Bingo Cash account, and document the problem if the achievement still refuses to unlock. Start by opening the achievement and reading its exact requirement. Bingo Cash can use different goals for different game features, so completing something that looks similar does not necessarily satisfy the actual achievement condition. Check whether the requirement refers to a specific game mode, tournament, number of wins, or another action. If the requirement is still incomplete, the achievement will remain locked. If you have definitely completed the requirement, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. Return to the achievement screen and check whether the status has updated. If nothing changes, check the App Store or Google Play for an available Bingo Cash update. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the app updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Install any available update, reopen Bingo Cash, and check the achievement again. Updating the app does not remove your account, progress, or balance. Next, check your internet connection. Achievement progress may need to synchronize with Bingo Cash's servers, so an unstable connection can leave the achievement screen showing old information. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reopen Bingo Cash, and check the achievement one more time. If the achievement is still locked, take screenshots. Capture the achievement requirement, your current achievement status, and the game or tournament screen showing the action you completed. If the achievement was connected to a tournament, keep the tournament ID visible in your screenshot whenever possible. That gives Bingo Cash support a specific reference, instead of a general report that an achievement is broken. Don't repeatedly replay the same game just because the achievement hasn't unlocked. First, confirm that the original qualifying action was actually recorded. If you've confirmed the requirement, restarted Bingo Cash, updated the app, and checked your connection, contact Bingo Cash support with the screenshots and a description of exactly what you completed. Include the achievement name, the requirement you completed, when you completed it, and any tournament or game information connected to it. So the practical fix is simple. Verify the exact requirement, restart, and update Bingo Cash. Check your connection, then document the completed action if the achievement remains locked. Your next step is to open the achievement and screenshot its requirement before doing anything else. If this fixed your Bingo Cash achievement problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.